to the next chapter. We are already finished the sets understanding and the use sets concept to apply to some probability within this chapter. Now we move to 5 programming challenge from this video and in the following videos. This video we talk about a topic talking about the Venn diagram. We will use this to visualize the relationship between two sets. The Venn diagram looks like here. So each circle is represent a set, and we use this Venn diagram to show what are in the common, what are in the left side, in the right side, or maybe some element not in the either side. So I put the information in the mind map. So here is the Wikipedia. So when you read some other articles, just bear in mind this Venn diagram was coming from a person called John Venn. And this is his last name, and it's also called the set diagram or logic diagram. The Venn diagram can show all possible logical relations between a finite. So here is the keywords is finite collection of different sets. So if it's infinite, it's not be able to show or visualize in the diagram. Then to deal with this Venn diagram, you can check with the Appendix A. We need to install our subpack another library called this matplotlib -Venn. We can use this PIP to install that. So now let's go to our this challenge. So let me close all, and first let's go to this PIP. You can either use a list to check is whether you have that the library installed. So if I check is matplotlib, I don't have this -Venn. So this give you this version, and you can also, if you use the PIP, you can also use the Fritz. Then they give you this requirements version, but the information is similar. So list is in the tabular, the format is easier to see, but it's clear is I don't have the matplotlib -Venn installed. You can check with Appendix A for more detail, but here let me demo is just install this matplotlib then -venn. So then you can see here it's getting certain installed. Then you can verify that from list. So here is matplotlib. Now I have this 0.11.10 version here. So that's perfect. So you have the necessary package on your own. We will practice the small program, and first is just to understand the concept of Venn. So it's just to draw our the basic Venn. So Venn diagram. So let's make our this one. So is this challenge 1. So challenge 1. So is the basic Venn diagram. So let's have two sets. So sets A has those numbers, sets B has those numbers. A is just the odd number within 20, and B is the prime number within 20. So we can see what was their relationship for these two sets. So the purpose is easy. Just try to draw our Venn diagram for two given sets. Okay, So we need some the library. So we will import the Win2. So just remember this number 2, and we will have the plot, and we will have the finish site. So let's make this one by one. So first is we should import senpai the finite set, because we will use this in our central the program to define the two sets. So that is the first master import library. So with this fin side is now we can set this as one is fin set. So it's 1, 3, 5. Yeah, you can use certain logic to add this as well, but let's make our hard coding. So even we should prevent the hard coding. So that is the odd number within 20. S2 is the prime number. So first is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So quite many. The prime number within 20. Then we will call the draw win. And we send these S1 and S2 as two arguments. Then we will starting to define our draw win function. So S1, S2. So we get this one. So and then this we will put that as the set. So we can send this directly. Then we can put this or make that into. You can see here. We need to make that as a list of this site, but let's not convert these two because we only define these first. So let's just use Win2. So if you want to do this Win2, you need to import that. So now we have this one, matplotlib underscore win. So just be aware is when you install this, let's see. So this name, well, in the PIP is a hyphen, but when you try to load that, the library name is underscore. So that is kind of a little misleading, but let's just try to remember that. So the arguments for Win2 is give a subset. Actually, so we can make this here. That will be easier because that can let you try to remember you need to transfer a list of the set to Win2 as our argument, the setting a parameter called subsets. Then what we will do is from here is from. And then this we need to plot that. So we will make this PLT. So import matplotlib.py plot as PLT. Those we have that. Then we directly plot. This win is already the make the drawing, so we don't need to plot anything again. So let's make this. So when got our unexpected keywords, so I should I missed this S. So now you can see it's colorful than this one. So I will use this color to let's. So you see the left is A, should be this S1, right is B, is S2, and they have 7 common. And to better show that is AB is the default because we don't give any this label. So we can easily give a set labels from one transfer or this tuple. So the first one, well, we can see that is how we can see is the old number, and the second one is the prime number. So then we have better seeing this, I believe. So now, oh, it's not get that. So this will change the label. So let me see how to put that. AB subset is AB and the prime number. When got our set. Oh, so I also the typo, so label. Okay, I hope is we got those. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we know this color is the old and this color is the prime, and combined it has some also the color operation or color calculation. So they should have certain the ways to make that. So let's make another try. So let's create our S3. So finite set. Let's put this. I have some just number is 1, 7, 14, 21. Just some numbers with the multiply by 7. So now if I give transfer 3 sets, so I put it here. Let's see how they can manage the multiple sides. So 7, oh, let's see, it's times 7. Just like this, I gave a 3 label. What this looks like. So, oh, so finish site. Do I have any typo error? Oh, so that is the sets is I think is they are not able to deal with 3 sets. Subsets is I put that 3. Now is over this work this handling. So I cannot give our 3 sites. So if I don't even don't give our label, it's here ABS finite. Let me see the arrow bed operand diagram area. So I have the 3, so draw. So let's back to the 2. So we have this one. Now let's try to adjust some. So if I put some more, so if I get is more similar, so 1, 3, I think it's 9. I also put here. Then if I run this, you may see the common one is getting bigger, and not common one is smaller. So those are always they will receive your input size and give you this result. So that's the basic Venn diagram. So how to draw the 3 Venn diagram? I can also do some investigation, and I also hope to hear from you. You can upload inputs your code is to see is how that will be handled. I believe it's possible. But let's move to the second part of this one. So we want to do our students' sports the survey. So using this Venn diagram is to show is some answers football, some answers others, and who are the common ones. So those either is the one or the others. So others can also be the together happened when the students answered the football. So, but first, let's create this CSV file. So let's normally I will use the Excel to do that. First, then I can save that is student ID. Second column is football. Third column is others. Once you create a list, then within the Excel, you can save to our CSV, because in Excel you can drag to get certain list. Let's create our 30 the survey. So football. So also you can enjoy some Excel's formula. So let's see. So I want this run. But I want to get either 1 or 0. I don't want to input by myself hard coding. So then you can use a tactic is just a round. So if it's below 0.5, it will be 0. Up more than 0.5, it will be the 1. So, but you need to give the digit. So I put digit is 0. Then I got this kind of the integer, and both football and others can be either the number 1 or 0. They don't have this if you select football, you cannot select others. Then that's very easy to access. We just drag this formula. So now I get our so-called is a random based. So let me save on this. Whenever you do a save, this random number will be recalculated. So that can give you more those numbers that can serve you the multiple times. So let's go to our GitHub and doing math, chapter 5. And let's see here, I call this as student sports. We just call sports. Now it's the Excel based. I put that as the save file, the source file, and now open and choose CSV. The UTF-8, comma, delimited, then save. And you can close your Excel. Now you get 2 files. You can open the Excel, then that is the list base. You can open the CSV, that is this the comma split. Because I install the Rainbow CSV, the extension in VS Code, so this is our nice color coding with the different column. But anyway, now we have our CSV file. So remember is you should do some processing. For example, you should delete the last row. So and then this because we don't have those put in here. So let's go to some earlier ways. I think it's we have solving in this chapter 3. You can get some reference. So read CSV and plot. So let's see here. So read CSV and we use this next, and we will go to this. So you can see here. So that is what we have for this. So we can copy this one and go to, and the first is delete the last one. So that is the pre-processing of preparation. So now this sports CSV is okay. Let's create my new file. So here and get our new file 0503 1 2 is the student sports.py. So let's copy this, and we should have first column is the football. Actually, this is the second column. We ignore this student's ID. Then the second column into our later sites will be the third column. So just remember what's structure in your CSVs will be good. So let's see. So the purpose is Venn diagram for students support survey, and then to finish the header. And then this is our CSV. So we got the file name, and we open this as file, and we have this CSV dot the CSV. So if you can use that, you need to install. Not this one. So let's see. So we don't need this one. So remember, so we need to import CSV. And definitely, we also need the plot. So let's import these two first. Then your CSV is OK. Then what we have is just matching your header. So football, and this is others. So just remember, is the football is if row 1, row 2. So row is we have this not 0, is 1, 2. And we should make something is here. We just put that inside the football, but we should have some the checking is we only need to count the 1. So then it's let's make this. So that's the difference to our standard CSV handling. So for row in reader, we should have if row 1 is 1. But this 1 actually in CSV is our string, or you can say it's a character. So then football append int. Let's see the int row 1. Oh, I think it's, we don't need to convert to that because we don't need to calculate that. So just row append is row 0. So so now I understand is we append is append the student's ID. So that similar is if row 2. So if others is equal to 1. We will append others with the student's ID. So that's also the row 0. So that's again is keep in mind in your CSV column structure or definition. The row 0 is student's ID, row 1 is football, row 2 is others, and we use this next reader to skip those header rows. So then from this read CSV function now is we have get two lists. Football is have the old student's ID that choose football. Others is same. Then we will return football and others. So that is our two list. And then if you have a two list, what you learned from the first one. So we still have our drawn win. So we let's import Venn first, and then this we have this one same. So let's also have this, but now is we got two lists, and one is the football, another is others. Let's see. So within this draw Venn, we got this one. Then we will use read to read the CSV file. So let's starting to have our the primary code. So we get two the files. So first is read. CSV with ensure is be aware of our working files, working folder. So now let's just put this sports. We use the relative part, but now is let's save and run. So nothing. So let's go to our current folder, so ch05, and run. So now you can see it's actually running. But we don't have that. We already got two lists. So football. So list is we returned two football, but we need to have those definitions. So football is return this. We read this file. Then return this football. So we already have this football. Then let's just draw win with football and others. So I think it's that is the way. So we can, but I have returned that. I cannot run this because it's not defined. So let's is football and others. So we should make those here. Yeah, because now we make our primary code, so we should define football first. And then the list, size list, return this one. Our size list is, let's see, so that should be all. So we also need to convert that to sets. So that is the part. So let's also import from SymPy, import finite set. So actually, it's our f plus now is the finite sets. Ensure you have this star is the football. That is a list. You cannot directly send the list to. You need to send a set. So O is finite set others. Then we put our two sets here, F and O. Now I think our program should be working. Perfect. So, but we have that is because we have our own generating the random number. So now is we have 6. Let's validate with our CSV. So CSV, you can see here. Just the double check is the this 5. So this 5 means in the others, but not in the football. That is 1. Yeah. If I just highlight this CSV file also good. They also highlight the same one. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's perfect. So I hope you can also finish this practice. And if you got any questions, comments under my video, I will try to answer or send me email. And try to practice with different ways. So you can use my Excel file and press F9 or recalculate. Then or you can refresh those formula. Then you get another set of this random number. Then you can save as to CSV. Then get another input file and use this sample to help you to generate your Venn diagram for sports this input file. So thank you for your watching for this first challenge. I hope you enjoy that and looking forward to see you in the next challenge. See you then. Bye.